Hello guys, it's Dale here with a new weekly trading ideas video. What you see before you is NinjaTrader 8 platform with my custom-made volume profile and VWAP indicators, and the chart is showing gold futures. This is the current symbol for gold futures. You're looking at 30-minute time frame, and what I want to talk about is this resistance, which is at 1962.5, and this resistance is based on a setup which is called volume accumulation setup. It is a volume profile setup, and the first thing which you need to see when you are looking for this setup is a rotation like this one, from which strong trend activity starts, like this one. Then the strong trend continues even lower. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to use a flexible volume profile indicator to look specifically into this rotation zone, and you need to see heavy volumes accumulated there, like in here. Because when you see heavy volumes like this, then it is telling you that strong sellers, strong institutional sellers, were building up their short positions in this rotation, and then they manipulated the price into a downtrend. And because there is a downtrend, is the reason why I said that strong sellers were active here. All right. The next thing is you mark the beginning of that heavy volume zone. I marked it with that red dotted line here, and this represents the resistance, and the price should react there. So if there is a pullback to this resistance at some point in the future, then there should be a reaction from there. All right, because sellers from this heavy volume zone should become active again, defend this zone, and push the price downwards again. So that's the volume accumulation setup on gold. If you want to trade this not on futures but on spot, then you need to find the same level on your spot chart, but it's very likely that the price will be a bit different. But what you need to do is you need to find this spot, this heavy volume zone, and the beginning of that heavy volume zone. That will mark the resistance. All right. So that's for that. The next trading idea I want to show you is on the Euro Swiss franc. So let's check it out. Now, what we have in here on a 30-minute time frame again is a strong downtrend. When there is a trend activity like this, you want to look for significant volume zones. So you want to use the flexible volume profile like I did in here to cover the whole trend zone, and then you want to look for significant volume clusters that haven't been tested yet, like this one. This is a significant volume zone, and it is telling us that sellers who are pushing the price downwards in this downtrend were adding to their short positions in here, and then they pushed the price even lower. So this is a significant zone for sellers because they placed a lot of their short positions there, right? This is the beginning of that heavy volume zone at 0.9808, and when there is a pullback, there should be a reaction as sellers, the strong sellers from this zone, should defend this zone, which is clearly important for them, and they should push the price downwards from there again. So this is a setup which you can trade when there's a trend. Now let me switch over to another chart. It will be the Australian dollar Japanese yen. In here we have volume accumulation setup, the same setup as we had on gold. In here the rotation is not that long as it was on gold, but still heavy volumes were accumulated in this zone, which was followed by a strong selling activity. So this is telling us that strong sellers were building up their short positions in here in this rotation, and then they pushed the price aggressively downwards. This is the beginning of that rotation with heavy volumes, and it is at 96.66. So if there is a pullback to this level at some point in the future, chances are there'll be a reaction as the strong, most likely institutional sellers from this zone will be defending their shorts which they placed here in this zone, which is important for them, and they'll want to push the price downwards. Right? So this is why this should work as a strong resistance. Now, if you guys are interested in learning more about volume profile trading, then what I recommend is visiting my website. It is at trader-dale.com, and if you click this button which says browse courses, then it will take you to this page where you can browse my courses. The first one is called the Elite Pack, and it focuses on volume profile trading, and also it gives you my custom-made volume profile and VWAP indicators. The second pack is below it, and it focuses on day trading using order flow. So check those packs out. There are videos which you can watch that will explain everything that's included in those packs. Alright, those are the videos. Now, before I wrap this video up, I would like to announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of the contest were my custom-made indicators for TradingView platform. It was volume profile indicators and a VWAP indicator. And right now on your screen, you see the name of the person who won in the contest. So congratulations to the winner. And what I'll do next is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing that you need to do to participate in the contest is leave a comment below this video on YouTube, and next week I'll randomly pick one person from the comment section to win this set of TradingView indicators. Alright, so it's about that. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video, or if you decide to join one of our courses, then I'll see you in the members area. So see you next time, and until then, happy trading.